Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get extremely better in history lessons simply by utilizing the Bard AI. In this example over here guys, we're going to request a very short story of the Roman Empire. A very short story. So in this way, you could simply, choose whatever country, whatever time in history, whatever destination or group of people or culture or traditions. You can learn so much in a very, very short time. See the Roman Empire, Act 1, Rise of the Republic. Okay. Act 2, Caesar and Empire. Act 3, Pax Romana and Golden Age. Act 4, Cracks and Decline. Act 5, The Fall. Amazing, right? In just like 1 or 2 pages, you are able to learn so much, and you have, topics to discuss with other people. Absolutely mind blowing, guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and like this video.